Hello.
Welcome to another crafting episode.
I apologize for the background noise. I'm in my garage and you can hear
The cicada swarms. I'll go get a couple and show you what they look like.
Apparently it's cicada time.
And for anybody not intimately familiar with cicadas, they're these gnarly bugs that emerge every however often.
Oops.
They're giant beetles with wings. Creepy crawlers. Good grips. This part may be a little bit mature.
Poke their tails together.
Make their babies.
They come out of the ground and shed their exoskeleton. These little guys.
Yeah, they're a little bit creepy.
Today I'm going to use PVC to create a chair.
Pretty much a kids chair. So here's how it turns out. If you like the quality, you can follow along. I had one growing up. Me and all my siblings did. I always figured my parents made it. Come to find out,
My grandparents made it.
thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. So, without further ado, I'm going to measure out some lengths and cut them.
It'll take a little bit more than 10 feet of...
3/4 inch PVC pipe.
Oh yeah. Cutting methods.
Could use a bandsaw, hand, a wood saw, little hacksaw, little oscillating cutter. You could use a pipe cutter, you tighten it, twist it around.
For its nice sound. A ratcheting blade. Kicks back open. Goes pretty quick. Cuts really easy.
This one is a fragment from last project, and it's already 12 inches, which is the size I need for the forward pieces.
Have my cut list here.
Both my cut list. So I need 4 12 inchers. Let me read it to you.
I need 4 12 inchers, 2 7 1/4 inchers, 3 11 1/2 inchers, 4 3 1/2 inchers, and 4 5 1/2 inchers. And then you'll end up using 4 elbows.
Take that back.
6 elbows and 4 T's.
Take that back. 6 elbows and 6 T's. Take that back.
8 elbows and 6 T's.
And if that's not right, I don't know what it will be.
Pretty simple, so I'm going to fast forward through all of this.
Alright, 10 feet, 11 feet, and 3.5 inches. Got another chunk over there, I'm gonna go cut it off camera.
I'll be back.
I'm back. Alright, so now that everything is cut, I'm gonna do a dry fit assemble,
I'm only going to glue a couple of joints.
because that lets you take it back apart for cleaning, for replacing the fabric, if it tears or gets out of date.
Let's count the T's and L's. Alright. Oops.
It didn't break. Didn't break.
So one thing of note,
The T's are pretty fine, they got some raised up lettering.
elbows,
Have an extra little boss on one of the 2 sides, this right there, that is a little bit annoying.
I'll put that in the least impactful side, so people are less likely to get annoyed by it.
The writing on the side of the pipe. So I thought rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol would get it off. A brief rubbing with that did not do anything. Neither did
hydrogen peroxide.
I'm sure there's some solvent that could get the text off.
at this point, if any of the people that sit in this chair complain about the writing, they'll no longer sit in this chair. How you run it in your place, up to you.
Let's put it together. Here we go.
There we go. Now we're cooking gas.
You take 2 elbows. This is going to be down into the ground, so I want this smooth so I don't screw up my carpet.
Alright, so this is one side. You see the 3 joints?
The hammock seat is going to hook on this pipe and sag down and hook on this. And the
bottom will sit right here. This is just for support.
So this side's done.
Time to go to the sewing room. Alrighty, so up here in the sewing room, getting it situated, I'm going to do this pattern, but do it this way. This way.
So I'm going to cut it to length.
It's 20 inches wide, 35 inches long. Excuse me. I have my rectangle. So, with my rectangle, I'm going to do my long hems, fold over about a 1/4 inch double, like fold it and then fold it and pin it, and then I'll sew down that seam, sew down the other, down the 2 long hems, fold 1/4, do the other on both skinny ends, then I'll do the loop, then we put the cloth to the plastic.
Here comes some pinning.
Oh, no, first,
I need to cut my rough end.
that stuff, so I cut off all the white stuff.
Got it. Scraps.
Now the other side. Alright, time to sew these two. So, for the record,
I put the pins facing the needle.
so as I'm going, I can pull the pins out. Yeah. Rock and roll. Alright, other side. Alrighty, not gonna win any awards for straightness, but it will.
It will hold.
Alrighty, and time to pin the short hems. These guys. I'll do that now. Are those gummy bears? Why are they all wet? Why are they in your hand? You spat them in your hand? Why'd you do that? So you could look at them? When are you going to put them back in your mouth? Okay, are you going to put them back in your mouth? When? Yep, they're yours. No one else is going to eat them. Oh, you ate your dinner all gone? Oh, lucky boy, huh? Seams are done. I'm going to loop it over about my 3.5 inches or so. I think I'll do 3.5 for the top and 4 for the bottom. Okay, Dad. Oh, you said Daddy? My mistake. Oh, sorry, I can't see.
That's my bottom. Here's my top. You ready? We'll stitch down this line.
Oh yeah, and I'm gonna fold this corner. I'm gonna fold this corner in, just to tuck it a little bit. Like that.
I'm not gonna fold the corners in anymore.
I did on the last chair, I upholstered in this manner, because it seemed reasonable, but I don't think it's useful at this point. At this juncture in my professional career. Alrighty, so that should be the end of the sewing. Now I'm going to trim the tails and take it out back to the garage. Alrighty, garage time. Down in the garage, we got our 2 sides, we did it earlier. I'm not gonna put it there. And got the seat covers, the hammock part that we just did.
What I'm going to do is glue these 3 joints right now, and then I'll put the fabric on, and then I will glue the other 3 joints.
Clear glue and clear primer. Looking for some sandals. Okay, this part's a little bit tricky, and I don't want it to knock anything down. So I'm going to stand up, and I'm going to be really careful. Alright, so it's done.
That took just over an hour.
An hour and 5 minutes or so.
So now you've got this here.
There's your little hammock seat. It's got a little bit of cockeyedness, but then you can get it straightened out pretty easily. Because we kept those joints, unglued. I'll even sit in it for you. I don't think I'm gonna fit. Nope, not gonna fit. I'll go find someone that fits. Hold on. Is it nice? Yeah. How nice is it? Give it a 5 out of 10. What? Carl! Is it comfy? How comfy? It's like I'm sitting on a pillow. Nice. What about out of 10? What would you score it? Like 7? 7 out of 10? But it's a pillow?
So what would make it better?
More fluff. That's up to you. You provide the fluff.
So if it was padded?
Yeah. Padded? Would you watch TV and play video games in that chair?
Yes. Yes.
There's the honest verdict of 2 boys. 5 to 7 out of 10. If it were padded, upholstered, padded armrest, padded, I don't know, butt rest, there you go. That's what you do to get a 10 out of 10.
$12 to $15 in an hour of labor.
Boom shakalaka, there's your chair. Custom made. And to indicate the dismantleability, there's that one. Boom. You can redo it in the future, clean it, wash it if you have messy kids. It comes apart. It goes back together too. I'll show you.
Time for the floor.
Alright, so then just the top piece going through here. He's back. 5 to 7 out of 10. So, hope you enjoyed it.
The cicadas, they're quiet now. It's gotten a little bit, it's kind of dusk time. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked it, follow along.
Add your tips or advice. It's not too bad to make. It's kind of fun. And you can use the lessons you learned doing this, making all sorts of other stuff.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.
Thanks. Bye.